guys, hey, welcome back. Today we're gonna make chicken stir fry lo mein, I guess you could call it. So let's get started. I got my chicken here, chicken breast, one chicken breast that I cut up into small pieces. We're gonna get these grilled out here. Get these cooked out. I gotta go get my pot and my lid. This is gonna serve for my lid and serving dish. So. The other side I'm going to turn down to low. So that I can just move the chicken over to this side, over here. Like so. And I can put some more butter down. Like so. And then add my veggies, like so. We got broccoli, snow peas, onion, and green red peppers. So I do got to get some water because I want these to steam a little bit. So I'll be right back. So I'm going to add some water in there. I'm going to take my lid, put that all in there. Try to. Not all fitting under there yet. So. There we go. Put that on there and stir my chicken up over here. I don't want to overcook my chicken, so I put it in that pan. Put that in there. Almost forgot garlic. Shooting here. Our garlic harvest wasn't the greatest this year, so. Gonna be quite a bit of food here, but I gotta work tonight, my last night. And all that good stuff. Salt, pepper. Salt and pepper. Just stir it around. Okay guys, I'm gonna add my chicken in. Da-da-da. I'm also gonna add then we're gonna add our noodles. Right on top there. Then I'm gonna add soy sauce. Quite a bit because it's a large amount. That right there, my friends, is a meal. You want to feed a lot of people, that'd be the way to do it. Turn this down, turn these ones off. Gonna be some good stuff right there, guys. That's our version of a Blackstone stir fry. I got kale in here, peppers, onions, garlic, minced garlic, snow peas, broccoli. So I think we're ready to serve. Now if I don't burn my arm off. There we go. Let me try this. There we go, guys. Stir fry.